welcome to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you a walkthrough to the Dear Diary collection. Dear Diary is something for Valentine, love. It's very modern, eclectic, very clean look, but also artsy, so it's a cool combination. These are the previews. I have here some creative work from my creative team. Very cool stuff they have created with the products, and I like to jump with you directly into the folders. And this is the Artsy Bits and Pieces #1 pack. A lot of artsy bits, gray, black, and blush pink. These are the dominant colors actually of this collection. Artsy Bits and Pieces #1 here, and then we have the Artsy Bits and Pieces #2, which always contains the more 3D realistic elements. And these are the elements: marbles, leaves, flowers, stars. So these are the Artsy Bits and Pieces #2. Then we have the art strokes, gold, rose gold, silver combined with black. I really like them. Those dots here, paint strokes here with a different pattern, and also some luces you get in with this pack. These are the art strokes plus luces, and then we go into the magic lights and fractal elements, bouquet, hearts. This is like a burst, bouquet, glitter, and you get 20 different elements here with the magic lights. Then we have the out of the box Polaroids. Very artsy. Oh, I love them. You need to check in, and I think you will have fun to use them. Look at them. And these are the out of the box Polaroids, and this is how you can use them and how they look like in your pages. Fully layered PSD files, so you can work with them pretty cool and great results. Here we have the mixed media papers. This one, those kind of papers I love. I have no idea anymore how I created them. I can't remember, but I love this effect what came out. And here we have some different blendings of papers and textures, and this one is so cool. I love the gray. Here's one with pattern, and these are the mixed media papers. Then we have the solid papers, gray. Here we have a little texture, soft blending, a little bit of gradients, and you get 9 different solid paper with this pack. Then we have the stacked papers. This is how they look. You get this one is with a book, an envelope, and everything is a little bit stacked. So really pretty cool to use. Will sure make fun to use them on your pages, and you get with in this set 6 different stacked papers. No, we don't go into the. We use here first the word arts. Just let me shape mask. Okay, then we have the word arts in English. These are the word arts. You get of course PNG files. You get typo styled word arts, and those Dymo styled word arts in different colors. and then you get also everything as a brush file, so you can use them as a brush file. This is up to you how you like to use them. And then we have over that one. Word art in French. I can't talk French, but sometimes it's quite great to use French word arts, or we have some French customers as well, so you can maybe use them in your language if you like. Or for the Canadian, they also French speakers. So I hope you enjoy this pack of French word arts. Also here you get the ABR file, so if you're a brush lover, just use them. The next folders are the shape masks. They are totally unique. Never done that before, never done that till now. But when I see them, I really, really love them. And they are shape masks, and you can add totally different layered photos. You can layer here your photos in different ways, and with the shadowing, it gives your photos a kind of a depth, like this one. So we have here now the different packs of the elements, and now we go into the painter's toolbox. We have here a brush mix. This is how the brush mix looks like. I really love those kind of grunginess in combination with those straight elements. I don't know how to say that, graphic elements. And of course you get all the brushes here, or all the elements here in black as a PNG, as an ABR file, so you can use them as a brush. And then we have the brush tools here. Brush tools with different shapes, butterflies. You can see here some drips, also graphic type of elements. And in a detailed video you can see the function of this brush tool. So this is only a quick overview. Then we have colored masks. If you use them, you can, there are two different versions. You have the black and you have the colored version. If you place now here a photo on top of it, just let me open one. Maybe not that one, because it's too dark, so it should be a nice color. We clip that. So this is now, this is only a mask, and if you now start to use the different settings of your layers, then you also can reach totally different effects, because it overtakes the colors and the lightning of the mask itself. So something cool to use. And these are the colored mask here, and you get 4 different one here, and in 2 different versions. So only as a black mask, how you are used to it, and then we have the colored version. Then we have the painter's toolbox, the chipped wood styles. These are the chipped wood styles, and you get 20 different chipped wood styles. They are a little bit 3D styles, so let's have a little test here. Make it bigger. more bigger, that you can better see it, and this is how it looks. So you really have a 3D effect. You can see that, and it's pretty cool. And always two versions. You have the plain version, which you can use with a painter's toolbox, with the painter's brush tool set, or really the 3D version as a text. But use those 3D really on shapes or on text. It doesn't work with soft edges like artsy bits, for example, or brushed elements. Then we have the painter's toolbox color and pattern styles. They are free, and you get really those cute pattern styles this time for free. I think they are really nice to use and to play with, and these are the color styles. Then we have the next pack are the styles, the glam styles. Wow, a lot of glimmer, rose gold, rose, all kinds of rose gold, and all kinds of rose gold metallic effects. And I've added also a brush tool with some glitter. So this is the scattered brushes ABR file. If you use them and brush on top of your images or on your layouts, and use one of those glamour styles, you have really cool confetti. Then we have the paper styles over here. Crushed papers we have here, and watercolor papers, some grays, very solid ones, pretty cool to use with styles, with brush styles. So we have the next, these are the texture styles, different textures, also some solid one, also some grungy one. I like those bric-a-brac black one here with the grunge detail. Here is cotton woven texture, dotted here with rose gold as well. And these are the painter's toolbox texture styles, and you get two folders when you've downloaded them, and because the styles were too huge. And then we have the textures. Actually they are overlays, or they paint textures, and if you use them, they are almost not to see. Maybe you can brush underneath just a little bit of a white from the brush tools. That's only a short demonstration. Please watch the detailed video. How to use them, and you can see in combination with those you really get cool effects and a really nice texture gesso effect. You can make your own gesso, and this is in combination now with the brush tool and the textures. They look like this one. You get 8 different textures, overlays, transfers, whatever you like to call them, papers, paint, watercolor, textures to overlay. And then we go into the templates. We have here the white templates. Also explained that a lot in other videos, but if you get white templates, just open them in your Photoshop Elements, and go on. Oh, this one does have a white layer on top. Delete that. It's also named, and then you can see everything. Some other does have come up like this when you open them, and you only need to click on top of the first layer and slide down to the background, and then everything is also to see. So it's a little bit different. In this time you only need to delete the first layer, and this is what how the different templates look like. These are the extra templates, and they are only included in the bundles. And then you get the multi, and then you get the weekly templates. This is week number 6, how it looks like when it's designed. I don't know what this brush button does here. Everywhere. I think that's not right. I never saw that before. This is when you look into your folders when after some years. Okay, well, these are where the weekly templates, and then we have the storybook templates, and they look like this. Also here, open them, they come up in a white version, and go on. I have also included always the fonts. You can get all the fonts in when you Google them. So I always use fonts that are free to use, mostly on dafont.com. There you can find actually all the fonts I use for my templates. So this is the storybook, page 12. This is page 10 and 11. Then we have here page 8 and 9. This is also pretty cool, this big mask here to use. I like this board here, and here this one is also very graphic styled, and that one, and then we have the title, very simple, but this is the background behind this storybook album from 2017. So we are through the folders now, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, just ask. Come into our Artology group and send me some message or leave a comment underneath in the comment box, and I will be happy to help you if you have any question. We're gonna see us in the next video. Bye.